Hey everyone, it's Megan with Alder and Nance, and I am so sorry for being missing in action this last month. But let's go ahead and roll my intro. We could build a dream, start up something new, let the old be dead. Okay, so for the last month, I have been working on my friend's wedding dress that you can see right there, and I apologize, my workroom is a little messy. I still have my husband's Iraq stuff behind me. I haven't been able to clean any of this up in the last month or so. But, so I've been working on this wedding dress. I've got it dyed and everything. I have also had a couple of new things that have happened. I have a new puppy. I have my puppy, Bruno. That is a 15-week-old Chow Chow pup. I have another one that's named Bear that you can see here. He is 12 to 13 years old, and these are the best dogs I have ever owned in my entire life. So I wanted to go ahead and get a new Chow Chow pup. I kind of sprung it on my partner, James, and the kids all love him. This is one of the best pups I've ever had. But let's go ahead and kind of roll through a couple of things that I want to share with you today. One, I don't have my teeth in, so I wanted to wear a mask. As you can see, I cut all of my hair off, and I'll show a picture of what it looks like when it's actually done. I don't like it. I wish I had kept my long hair, but I could also wear wigs again. Because my other hair, when it was long, I wasn't able to get my natural hair up into the wig. I think once it grows out a little bit, I'll be able to do some better hairstyles with it. We'll see. Also, I have a whole list of Lutterloh patterns. I ordered 3 of their patterns, and I've got that in now. I also wanted to go through the spring McCall's collection here in just a few minutes. We're going to do that first. We'll go through that, and then I'll share the patterns that I got through Lutterloh from the Golden Rule. And we'll go from there. I just wanted to give you a quick little update. I don't think my pattern for The Sims is going to be real popular, so I'm going to cut that series off. So let's go ahead and jump on over into my computer, and we'll go from there. Okay, we are over in the McCall's Lookbook now, and we will go from there. I like actually kind of flipping through the lookbook instead of going through each of the new patterns through the website. I'm able to kind of navigate a little bit easier on this way. I will also have to pause for just a minute here in a little bit to get my coffee that I have ordered through Uber Eats. So this is the cover, and it's got this little cut open or cut out style midriff on this one. I guess I'm just too old for stuff like this, and my daughter does not like showing off her belly, so this would not be a pattern I would be able to use. And another one with a midriff cutout, so that's going to be another one that we wouldn't be able to use. Sorry about my email. This one, my midriff wouldn't show too much. I have stretch marks, so this might be something that I would wear, but it's just not my style. I'm going to guess that this season is going to be all about the cutouts. Now, I like this top. Are these the same ones? Nope, it isn't the same one. And, ooh, let's see here. We have a purse pattern this month, or this season. That's cute. And this top is a Mrs. Top, and it comes with several different styles, so that's real cute. And then we have this Peasant Blouse that looks like it's going to be more form-fitted than this one. Oh, this wrap dress. I absolutely love this wrap dress, and the fact that they did the purse in the similar fabric, that is too cute. And it looks like my coffee is about 1 minute away. And let's see, is this going to be the full outfit? Yes, it's the skirt, shorts, and pants. So that is really cute. We have some pajamas for men. Is this a unisex? No, it's just a men's pajamas. That is cute. I'll have to pick this one up and add it to my list. And then romper and robe set. That is really cute. I love that robe. Then we have some corsets. So these aren't going to be like actual corsets that would really give you shape. These are just costume corsets. Then we have a unisex shirt and the hat. So you're also getting this little bucket hat. You have short and long sleeve options, and I love the pin tuck on those. And let's see here, men's shorts and pants. So we are getting quite a few new men's patterns, and that's also going to be the bucket hat. We have more of the purse. Let's see what this one is. Is this a different purse? Yes, totes and pouches. And I apologize. My coffee is almost here. Yay! Alright, we have the tote, and then we have this little pouch. This one. So that's what all of this is. I actually need to make a tote here soon. We have this beautiful girl's dress with a unicorn. Does it have... Yes, it does. It has the rainbow, and then you also have the unicorn, and you also have another rainbow. That is really cute. This actually might be kind of fun for me to make for Ryan. And then we have little girls dresses and stuff like that. Okay, you're gonna have to hold for just one moment. I've got to go get my coffee. We ain't coming back. I got me a white mocha with 2 extra shots, and I got myself a cheese Danish for after I finish this video. So, yay! Oh, it is really hot too. So we have this cute little girl's outfit. Accessories. Oh, that's really neat. I like how they actually put all of the information for the accessories that you see on their models. I've got to see this. This is really cute. I do love this top. Let's keep going. And that's it. That's all of the McCall's. That's different. Let's see. Go back to McCall's. Early spring. Well, we have a couple of vintage patterns. So we have the dress and the tops for this one. And that kind of reminds me a little bit of the gunny sacks. We also have this vintage pattern, which I guess they're bringing back a lot of the 70s patterns because that is what's in style right now. So these are really cute. I do like these, but I don't know if I'm going to be big on 70s patterns or not. This is really cute, and so is this. I wonder how high-waisted are these. It goes up there, okay. Might actually have to try that. So I think that's going to be added to my list of patterns that I want. Let's see, do they have anything else? Nope. They had the bunnies. They had the bunny patterns with the bunny dress. So that is all for the McCall's release. Alright, let's head over to the Lutterloh patterns. Okay, we are over on the Golden Rules website, and let's go ahead and go to the current magazine supplements. And I ordered 23, 24, and 22. Where's 22? So I ordered magazine number 22. And let's take a look at some of the patterns that they have on here. They have this outfit, which is really cute. And no, I don't need to speak to anyone right now. So I do like the fact that you're able to send them a message on their website like that. So kind of blah. I think I've seen that pattern before. I do like the skirt in this. It kind of reminds me of like a safari outfit. This cute dress that Skylar has already said that she wants me to use for her. And then we have this outfit that includes the jacket, and I believe it also includes the pants. I'll have to check my book again. The skirt with 2 different sleeve options. I don't understand this right here. I do not like that at all, but I do like this version of it. And I like how it has a little bit of extra flutter here. And then we have this empire waist top and pants. We have this dress and this version of the dress. Now I love both of these. I'd love to make Skylar this pussy bow blouse and skirt. She's slowly starting to feel more confident wearing more feminine things when she's not in her class for construction. And then we have this outfit. This one, I do like the pleats on this one. And I love these pants. It does remind me of another pair of pants that I've made recently. But I didn't make it as pants, I made it as shorts. This pattern's cute. I love this vintage coat and this men's pattern. So that was 22. Let's go to 23. We have this outfit. This one, and I love how it looks like it might be using like lace or some sort of sheer mesh for this piece right here. These 2 dresses and this cardigan sweater vest type thing. Another jacket and pants set. I do love this jacket. So we're getting quite a few jackets with this pattern book. I love this suit. I think I actually want to make that one for myself. Very similar to the last book with the empire waist. So I'm going to guess that after seeing Bridgerton, we are bringing back in the empire waist dresses. I absolutely love this. I have no idea why I would need this, but I love this, and I love these pants. I don't like the capri, but I love the full length pant. It's okay. I like this. I also like these jackets. I also like these. This jacket is really lovely. These dresses are okay. I love this vintage set, but it does remind me of one of the vintage main 4 pattern company patterns, so might be something very similar to what was put out, and several companies probably put out the same pattern. And then we have this kids pattern. Let's go ahead and take a look at number 24, which is the newest one for the spring collection for 2022. We have these cute little dresses. I don't understand it. A little bit more mature. I love the overall, or however you pronounce these. I've always called these overalls or a jumper. I had something kind of similar to this whenever I was in middle school. I absolutely loved it, but it didn't have the straps here. It actually had where it went up like this and had a big collar, but it did have the zipper in the front like that. I love this dress. The skirt is cute. I don't like the crop tops, so that's just personally me. You may like the crop top. I love this dress, and it looks like it's the same dress, just different sleeve options, and then this one just has a little
belt tied onto it. And then we have these two outfits. Those are really cute. I like the cascade on the sleeve on this, on both of these outfits. I do not like ruching, or at least ruching like that. Then we have this, and again we have this crop top. This is cute. So here we are again with the empire waist. I love this wrap dress on the side. It's a very girly, and I absolutely love that. These little robes, I love them. A set of pajamas. I haven't seen a set of pajamas, I think, in a while. So I do like the pants, I like the top, and I also like the dress. It's cute. Another vintage pattern, and a set of men's patterns. I jokingly said I was going to make this for James because it kind of reminds me of what he wore as a tanker in the army. So that is it for the Golden Rule Lutterloh pattern system update of the patterns that I just bought. Alright guys, I will see you next time. Bye!
Okay, that is it for today, and I can't wait to see you next week. Bye!